This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a recovery option in case something goes wrong. Once ready, boot into Advanced Startup or use your Windows installation USB. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Command Prompt. This gets you direct access to system repair controls. You do this because automatic repair triggers at boot and must be disabled from a privileged prompt rather than inside the regular desktop environment. From the elevated command, prompt type the exact command to disable automatic repair and hit enter. That stops the bootloader from invoking the repair loop. After that, verify the setting by enumerating the current boot entry so you see recovery enabled set to no. If you face an access denied error, make sure the command prompt came from Advanced Startup and not a standard user session. Once the setting is correct, exit and reboot to test normal startup behavior. After rebooting, confirm Windows starts without invoking automatic repair. If the system still loops, run chkdsk/f on the system drive and then sfc/scano to repair corrupted files. These commands address underlying causes rather than the symptom. Make sure to run them from recovery command prompt if Windows won't boot. If you need the safety net back later, re-enable recovery with the bcdedit command. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.